So you catch it at a lie, rich a lie.
Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah! Epic, yes, what up? It's your boy Radekal Epic, and from you see the title of the video, you know, if you guess, you already know what it is. So today, Father Dippo, from you see how me catch it at a lie, you're supposed to know what that video about. So I come to teach you about the slang and make you know what's it about and what people mean when they use it. Because when you see it around the streets now, and people been ask, say, catch it at a lie, where I talk about, dog? Catch it at a lie? What that mean, dog? Catch it at a lie, you know, see I'm catch it at, dog. Yeah, man, so people, I'm telling you what it mean, you know, when you catch it at a lie. Alright, so this is an advancement to an already popular term. So when you know the term normal a lie, and you know so that means it's something you do frequently, regularly, and you ask your virgin if I not lie, because you make him confirm it or deny it. So now them advanced term now, if you say catch it at a lie, but what this actually means is you've advanced to such a level where it's no longer normal. Right now you're an expert in the field. You might be an actual expert, or you might think you're an expert. So you put a local style to a thing. So it's not normal no more, you know. You put a local style and you catch it at a lie. Because you're expert now in the thing where you go demonstrate to your virgin them. Or the thing you're rocking, you see me? So I could say you're there in one party and you're about to go bust about dance. You just catch it at a lie. Because you put style in your thing, you know, your thing not normal. Your thing up there. So you put a local catch in your hat. And you're about to do a thing now, you see me? Catch it at a lie. So you make your virgin know say man a star, man a expert though, man confident in what them about to do. So you catch it at a lie, rich a lie, you see me? Because right now, you see me? You have some level of confidence in what you're about to demonstrate. So when you catch it at, that denotes confidence in you. And if you hear me, when you catch it at, it denotes the confidence you have in yourself, your ability and the thing you're about to do. So you show them a style for your thing. So people, I hope you understand what it means now. So go out there in the world and catch it at a lie, catch it upon them. And make them know say you're not typical, you're not regular. Make them know say you're radical. You see me? So yeah man, that term I mean so. I hope you can go use it now to the streets and thing. You know it's been your boy Radekal Epic. This is an Epicflows production. And any other slang you want me explain to you, just drop it in the comment no. A lie? Bust a like on the video now, a lie? Share the video no man, a lie? Now I go just catch you at a lie and go about my business. You know? So big up on yourself, I'm out.
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Shout out production.
Radekal Epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.